Today I'm going to take you through a new construction home by Baumann Builders. I am in their latest development in Zeeland called Patriot Meadows. We are going to explore one of their spec homes that's almost complete, probably about a month to go or so before you could move in. And it is in Patriot Meadows in Zeeland. It is a 2-story. It's going to be 4 bedrooms, 2.5 full bathrooms, and an unfinished walkout basement. Hi guys, Ashley Swansea here, buyer agent on Luke Baumann's real estate team. Thanks for checking out our channel. If you are considering making a move to West Michigan now or in the future, please feel free to reach out as we'd love to help you make that transition. All right guys, welcome to your front door and great little front porch here for you. Perfect spot to have your morning coffee. Taking a look at some of your neighbors that are also going to be moving in shortly. Walking into the home, you're going to see a great little entry space here. You've got a fantastic little coat closet for guests in your foyer and a closed off office space. So not one of the 4 bedrooms, but an additional office with lots of natural daylight, and it comes with your privacy doors as well. As we move on into your open concept living room, dining room, and your kitchen. I will get into details, but you've got an awesome vinyl plank flooring here, going to be super durable for kids, pets, any high traffic areas that you might have, and we've got that throughout the whole main floor here. Tons of natural daylight. Something I will point out is we have actually 9-foot ceilings in here, so above your standard 8-foot just really helps brighten up the space. And coming into the kitchen over here, they've upgraded to a quartz countertop, awesome black hardware and black details on your kitchen faucet. Dishwasher's already installed. Looks like we're waiting on stove, microwave, and refrigerator. One of the things Baumann does really well is storage, and no exceptions here. Awesome shelved pantry with the awesome detail of having outlets in here, small appliances, coffee maker, toaster. Those types of things don't need to sit out on your kitchen counters when you have that in your pantry. Off of your kitchen here, you're gonna have kind of more your mudroom landing space for you. Looks like additional pantry or storage for you. Half bath for when guests are over. They won't need to go upstairs to use any of the private personal bathrooms. Access from your garage into here with an additional terrific amount of storage here. Mainly coats, think winter boots, those sort of things, all those extras. This would be great for crock pots or large appliances that might not necessarily want to be in your pantry. Maybe you have pets, so you can keep dog food, all of those extras in here. I find there's no such thing as too much storage in a home. If they give it to you, you'll find a way to fill it. Coming into the garage here, awesome 3-stall garage. Plenty of space for parking, bikes, toys, lawn equipment, snow blower. It's actually a little bit deeper in the back there as well. Looks like they're getting ready to stage this one in a couple weeks. I will take you guys upstairs now. This is where you're gonna find all of your bedrooms. You've got a master suite with bathroom and walk-in closet. You also have laundry up here by all your bedrooms, which I have always thought makes the most sense to have it upstairs where all of the bedrooms are. So over here we've got master bedroom. Laundry will go over here. Extra cabinets and storage. Hanging, and coming into your master, again, just super neutral, super bright, Great size bedroom. I love their carpet choice up here. Very durable and yet soft and cozy. Nice dual vanity. Looks like the same countertops that were in the kitchen. So upgraded quartz up here, black hardware again. Here, full walk-in shower, which looks really nice. Feels very oversized actually. And down the road, if you ever wanted to tile that as an upgrade, would be a very simple thing to do. And again, storage just seems to be the feature in this one. It's very nice. Lots of room for shoes, purses, bags, clothes. Love this detail either for decorations, maybe some linen storage for your bathroom, towels, that sort of thing. And again, just lots of natural daylight. I don't even have any of the lights turned on in this room for us. Coming out of the master bedroom, I will take you to the other side of the upstairs where we have 3 more bedrooms. All great size, whether you need an additional office, guest room, kids rooms, whatever your use is, these bedrooms all seem to offer a really good floor plan. Second full bathroom up here. Looks like tile floor again. Another quartz countertop, bright light. It's got that tub combo for little ones if you have little kids yet. And this front bedroom. Again, same carpet choice throughout. Love the extra detail on the closet doors. Just really helps make it feel like it's a little bit more custom for you. Super nice floor plan. I love the featured window on your stairs. Again, just helping with that natural daylight and not making it feel so dark. And moving into the basement, this will be unfinished. However, they will have lots of different options for you to finish. It's got plumbing already down here if we needed to add another bathroom for you. It's also got plenty of window options to throw a 5th bedroom downstairs if that was something you may need. Love the walkout, really nice lot back here, nice and private. In addition to being able to finish off a great rec space or additional living space, it also offers, yet again, tons of storage. Super great storage options. Keeping all of your things organized, clean, dry. You got your mechanic room over here. Sump pump for you. Tankless hot water heater. All of the good stuff that new construction homes offer our clients. I am standing out on the back deck that was off of the dining room next to the kitchen on the main floor for you. They don't have stairs that lead down, but that's an easy fix that you guys could always add to after you purchase, or I'm sure negotiate something with the builder to get that in. We are priced at $474,900. So super great option to be under, that 500 mark in Zeeland, new community. Over 2,000 finished square feet with that unfinished basement that just leaves you with lots of potential to make it your own. Again, if you're interested, like and subscribe to our channel below. We'd be happy to help you answer any questions. Again, this is Baumann Builders, new construction, their newest development in Zeeland, Patriot Meadows.